Weights on your right foot, starting with your left, cross twinkle, cross, side, recover, right foot, cross, side, recover, left twinkle, cross, side, recover, step your right foot, sweep your left foot forward for 2 counts. Next section, we're going to make a little quarter turn to the left using our basic waltz, step, quarter, step, and back basic with the right, back, 2, 3. Travelling forward, we do 2 basic half turns. Now we're using our left foot turning left, a half turn first, 1, 2, 3, turning a further half turn left, using our right foot back, 4, 5, 6. Let's just try that again without stopping. Forward on the left foot, making a half turn, half, 2, 3, back, 4, 5, 6. Left foot stepping forward, we slow kick for 2 counts. Travelling back with the right, we step, cross, lock, step back again. Left foot stepping back, we slightly drag our right foot in so you get into your bent knee position. Prepping to roll forward, 3 counts, 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to our twinkles, starting with our left foot, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, step, sweep, quarter turn, or 1, 2, 3, back, 2 forward half turns, or 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, step, kick, back lock, back, cross, back, drag it in. Rolling forward, full turn, step, half, half. Step forward on your left, touching your right toe around your left heel position. Stepping back with the right foot, we start to make a quarter turn, pushing with that rock to the left, recover to the right. And it's our modified sailor. So as we step forward, step, touch, hold, keeping your eye to the left, we go back with our modified sailor, back, quarter, recover. To finish the dance, step back on your left, slowly sweep your right back for 2 counts, step back on your right, and slowly hook for 2 counts. It doesn't need to be quick, and you're ready to start again. Let's go back to the beginning. We'll go all the way through. Weights on your right, left foot twinkle, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, step, sweep, sweep, quarter turn, back with the right, 2 forward half turns, round, 2, 3, round, 2, 3, slow kick, 2, 3, back, lock, back, hold, 2, 3, roll, 2, 3, step, touch, hold, quarter, sailor, step, back, sweep, sweep, back, hook, hook, and to start. Now to finish this dance, the music will slow down at the end. You get to your sweep and back with your hook, and we're going to hold it until you hear the last 4 counts, and we start that with a low, slow twinkle, cross, rock, recover, cross to finish up.